Mopar people, welcome back to the channel. I'm just Mopar Joe. In this box in front of me is a speed secret. I don't know anything about it. I got this in the mail. Never dealt with one of these before, but let me go ahead and do an unboxing of it. This is what the box looked like whenever I got it. So let me show you here. It's in pretty poor shape. This flap was laying on top of the box. This other side of the box was ripped down to here. Anyway, that's my first recommendations that maybe the company, which is Max Heating Rods, would use a little bit heavier duty box. So first thing, I believe they sent me a t-shirt. It is extra, 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 extra large in China. So that's cool. Might be a little short for me, but whatever. I like shirts. A couple sticker packs, I believe. Boom and boom. A Max Heating Rods emblem that's kind of messed up a little bit. And they give you an installation instruction book on there. Turbocharger. Let me get this dude out of here. There it is. I told the rep that, oh, got a couple gaskets and a book. Let me get that crap out of the way. I told the rep that this thing weighs like 36 pounds. They should probably consider a little bit better packaging, just to be sure it makes it safely and all that. But from what I can tell, it looks pretty good. It is bagged up. Got a little scuff here. I'll show it to you where my bag was there. Yeah, not a biggie. Cap for the other side. There we are. Get her pulled out. And here it is. So, I believe this is their GT45 turbo. I've heard of a lot of guys running two of these on a V8. I'm trying to go just very simple. I don't know a lot about turbos. I'm kind of like the naturally aspirated guy. But I got contacted by the company and they said, hey, would you like to try this? And I'm like, all right. This is their couple bent up gaskets here. Here's what I know. Hot side inlet, party time outlet. And it oils through here. And I believe the drain is on this side. Y'all correct me if I'm wrong on that. So basically I'm gonna have to do my own independent research. They give you kind of a simple instruction booklet. The picture's nice. Some of the language is a little bit off because it's been translated. But yeah, should be fairly simple. A lot of guys on the internet say that turbocharging is the easiest thing. You know, all you do, you buy it, bolt it on and go. You know, they've seen Fast and Furious and they've seen Street Outlaws, so should be very simple. You just go bolt it on and do it, right? But that's not typically how it works in my experience, which I have very little for a turbo. So maybe it'll just be so easy. But the way I'm doing this entire build is totally first person perspective. I've got a little bit of know-how about engines and stuff, but I thought turbos lived on diesels. I don't know. So hopefully you like the product. I'm going to give it an honest review at the end of all this. And let me show you the engine that's going on. So this is my 78 model 400 that I got last week. And I just ended up pulling one bearing off, checking it. I haven't tightened that back up. I'm going to check throughout this entire engine here. New timing chain. I've got a little bit better cam. So cam lifters, but it's going to be pretty near stock. I'm not going to push it too hard, but the 400 is, they're pretty stout. I mean, it's a good strong block. You can see that. It has a cash crank. That'll scare a lot of people, but I wouldn't have an issue pushing this to 500 horsepower, I think, with the right boost controller and everything else. Y'all let me know in the comments what you think about the whole build. So if you are a turbo guy and you want to check out any of their products, I'll have the link in the description, link for this turbo. And if you check out their website, I think you get 10% off anything you need by entering the coupon code Mopar Joe. So I can't thoroughly endorse this product until I try it out. I've heard of them before, so I'm going to give it an honest review and see what I can do with it. Hopefully we can have some fun in an old Mopar with it, maybe.